Hi everyone, this is Lawson, and I wanted to make a video in which I show you how to dominate Udemy with a new course. I'm actually going to show you the example of a client that I worked with. Her name is Shelly, and I helped her with a content creation and marketing course. Content creation. Down a little bit, and as you can see, it's right here on the first page. If you type in content creation, as you can see, it's the only new course here, right? All the other courses are bestsellers. This is not easy to do. Okay, you have to get a few things right in order to be able to do that. It actually has been included into the Udemy business program as well, very recently, which I don't think I've ever done that before in the past. All of my other courses, they've taken a while to enter into the Udemy business program. But this one was admitted, I think, within 2 months of being live, which is pretty cool. As you can see here, right there, this is how you know if a course is part of Udemy business, right? And as you can see, the landing page is well optimized. I created the image, the title and subtitle was all suggested by me to Shelly. I found the image on Canva, canva.com. I have the pro version, and I typed in content creation or content marketing or one of those two, and I found this image, and I pretty much just used it as is. I made no modifications to it. And as you can see here, I'm going after the content creation and content marketing keywords because those are the relevant ones and also the most profitable ones as well. Again, here, content creation, content marketing. So 4 times or 2 times each. Okay, you can see the learning benefits. There's about 9, and they give the students a pretty good idea about what they're going to learn in the course. The course is 3 hours itself, which doesn't hurt. I've often said this. If you want your course to sell in great numbers, it has to be comprehensive. And here's the course description. Shelly actually wrote this, and I made a few modifications to it. By the way, I was also able to get this course featured on Udemy when it was first launched. So how do you do that? How do you get your course featured on Udemy? How do you get it to rank on the first page? And how do you get it noticed by Udemy so they enter it into their Udemy for Business program? Well, obviously, everything that I mentioned so far helps, from anywhere from creating a high quality course, having a nice image, great title and subtitle, great learning outcomes, a really nice and persuasive course description. All of it helps. And you also need, obviously, students, and you need reviews as well. Your main focus should be SEO, making the landing page well optimized, making it convertible. So regarding SEO, there are 3 things that you need to focus on. There are students, reviews. I shared the course with my people, and Shelly shared it with her people, and we were able to generate about 47. Well, 47 is what it is now, but when we were done with it, when we shared it with our people, I think it was like 30 or something. And then also you go to Marketplace Insights as well, and you try to figure out what the most profitable keywords are. As I mentioned before, you can see them clearly here. 2 times I've used content creation 2 times between the title and subtitle, and content marketing, the same thing here. And then if I actually Control F, content creation, you can see how many times it is repeated throughout the landing page, in the course, in the lectures titles, the course description, even the requirements. Okay. Same thing with content marketing. So that's for SEO, right? Those are the 3 main things that you need to focus on: keywords, students, and reviews. If you get those 3 things right, then your course is going to rank well for its targeted keywords, and it's going to start making its initial sales and also be noticed by Udemy as well. So it gets featured, as well as hopefully maybe get entered into their Udemy business program.